Hello everyone, welcome to our virtual class. Class 1. Subject is science and the topic is lesson number 6, food and shelter for animals. Yes, today we are going to start our lesson number 6, that is food and shelter for animals. And the subtopic is what do animals eat? So what is our subtopic, children? What do animals eat? In that lesson, in lesson number 6, we are going to learn what do animals eat. As the name of our lesson is food and shelter for animals. So first of all, we will learn about what do animals eat. Yes, children. For that, you have to open page number 49. So open everyone. Very good. So as you can see, learning checklist. Yes, it means what we are going to learn in that lesson we are going to see here. So first one, what do animals eat? First of all, we will see in this lesson what do animals eat? What they eat. Like we people, animals also are living thing. Yes, and they also need food like we people. So what do animals eat? We will see. Next one, we will see animals' homes. Yes, as the name of our lesson is food and shelter for animals. Yes, animals' homes. We will see about that. So, children, first of all, now as you have opened page number 49, you can see here. Yes, first of all, we will read this. Let's get started. Fluffy, the dog, is lost. Help Fluffy find his way home. So children, as you can see, the picture is there. Yes, in front of you, the picture. Yes, this is the picture of Fluffy and his house. Fluffy and his house. The name of the dog is Fluffy. The name of the dog is Fluffy and he is lost. He wants to go to his house. He wants to go to his home, but he is lost. Now you have to help him by finding the way to his home. So children, this is your PH. Yes, you have to find the way to this Fluffy. So this is your PH, children. So shall we move forward? Yes. Animals need food to live and shelter to protect themselves. Children, you have to read with your map. Keep your finger on the first line. Animals need food to live and shelter to protect themselves. Let us learn about the different kinds of foods that animals eat and different types of homes they live in. So like we people, animals also need food to live. They also need shelter to protect themselves. Like we people live in our houses. Our house, it means our shelter. Yes. So let us learn about the different kinds of food that animals eat and different types of homes they live in it. It means today we are going to learn in that lesson that the different kinds of food that animals eat and different types of homes they live in. Yes, so get ready children. So see, this one you can see on page number 50. So open page number 50 children. So what do animals eat? What do animals eat? Different animals eat different types of foods. As we learn children in our lesson animals, yes, in lesson number 5 animals, some animals, there are different types of animals in world. Yes, we know very well. Now they eat different foods. They live in different places. Yes, some live on land, some live in water, some live on trees. Yes, now we will see different animals eat different types of foods. So let's get started children. First of all, we will read. So keep your finger on the first line. Some animals such as cow, deer, goat, horse and elephant eat plant. Yes. So children, as we are looking that what do animals eat? Yes. So there are some animals like cow, like deer. We know very well cow, deer, goat, then horse and elephant. They eat plants. Yes, they eat plants. Now see this picture. This is the picture of goat. Yes, this is the picture of goat. What it eating? Goat is eating plant, grass. Yes, got it? See the next one. Can you identify this? This is the picture of horse. This is the picture of horse. These animals we can see that two animals they are eating grass or eating plant. So we have learned that some animals like goat, like horse, like cow, deer, elephant eat plants. Got it children? Getting? Hope you are getting very well. Now we learned that which are the animals that they eat plants. Now we will see some animals eat grains. Some animals eat grains. So see which are these animals? Some animals such as hen, mouse, birds and squirrel eat grains. Do you know grains? We learnt about that in plant or plant products. Yes. There are some animals such as hen, then mouse, birds and squirrel. They eat grains. Yes. See this picture? We know hen eats grains. Yes, hen eats grains. See this picture? Mouse. We know very well. Yes, this also eat grains. Mouse also eat grains. Get it? So there are some animals like hen, mouse, birds and squirrel eat grains. Yes, as you can see on the screen and in your textbook also on page number 50. Getting? Next one, some animals such as frog, lizard and spider eat insects. Some animals are there, yes, that they eat insects. You know insects? Yes, insect is a small animal. We learnt about this in lesson number 5, animals. Yes. Now, some animals such as a frog, lizard and spider eat insects. Yes, they eat insect. Like see this frog. Yes, what it eat? It eats insects. Yes. Next one, spider. Have you seen spider? You must have seen. Yes, spider also eat insects. Yes. So there are some animals that they eat insects. So which are they? Frog, lizard and spider eat insects. Getting? Hope you are getting children. Next one, some animals such as a vulture, lion, tiger and snake eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, there are some animals like vulture, like lion, like tiger and snake. What they eat? They eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, see vulture. Yes, see in that picture, vulture. Yes, eating mouse. Yes, it means vulture eating the flesh of other animal. Next one, see lion. Yes, lion eating deer. Yes, vulture and lion eating the flesh of other animal. Eating the flesh of other animal. Tiger is also there. Snake is also there. Eat the flesh of other animals. So got it, children? Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat insects. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. Getting? Next one, some animals such as crow, bear, cockroach eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Children, there are also some animals like crow, like bear and cockroach. They eat both. They eat plant also and they eat flesh of other animals also. So we will see the picture. See this crow we have seen. This is a bird. Yes. And this eat plants and also flesh of other animals. Got it? Yes. Next one, bear. Bear, it also eat plants and the flesh of other animals. Yes. So children, there are some animals that they eat plants and the flesh of other animals. So which are they? Crow, bear, cockroach. Yes, these are the animals. Hope you are getting very well. So children, in this way we have seen what do animals eat. So children, what is your PH? You have to read this lesson properly. This is your PH. Till then, thank you.